how to create a WordPress update. Here on this website, we can. It says WordPress 5.11. It's available. It's the core uh, platform update. This is really good because it keeps your website secured and it's not vulnerable. So it's really good to come inside your administration and the WordPress and do all the updates that are available. Very important. This will give your website a really long life. If not, your website could be open to hackers attacks. A hacker can try to break in your website. Maybe we'll find an open door to attack your website and block you from your website, so they can use it as a advertising and marketing option. Okay, here's the update. So let's update WordPress. So let's update the WordPress. It's going to take a little bit of time, but if when it updates, everything is good. Also remember that when it's updating, something could damage your entire website, and then we have to come in and fix it up. Find the problem, diagnose it, find it, and fix it. And it takes a lot of time and knowledge to fix a damaged website. One little thing can damage the entire website. One little thing. So gotta be very careful and know what you're doing when you're doing updates or anything on the website. And administration, you're able to change everything on the website. So we just wait till it completes. In the meantime, here's my website, sjmwebhosting.com, and we have a lot of different plans for our website and cloud web hosting. We also have a blog. We have a portfolio of websites that we've created. Website portfolio, you can see, and there's a page 2, page 3. There's a lot of different websites we created for small business companies local here in Virginia, DC, and Maryland. So you can see all of them in portfolio, website portfolio. Here are some of the websites we have created. So I'm just going to show you one. When you let me see 1 second. See, when you go down, uh, more websites were loaded. So we created a lot of these websites. Some of these websites, maybe one or two, are not working properly already because this one, the person who owns it didn't renew, so this one doesn't work. I have to take the one out. So let's go take a look at one that looks well over here. This one, Top Value Glass. I did that one. City Glass Expert, American Window Door Repairs. Uh, this one. Some of them do have SSL certificates. So let's just take a look at this one for now. Quality Glass Repair. They are in Virginia, Maryland, and DC. So I just wrote something about here about the company, and you can read about it. And launch project is you go to their website. Let's see right here. Okay, so it's updated. Now we go to plugins, install plugins. So here's one of the websites we created, and these are the colors that the client wanted. So we went ahead with customize for him. He needed numbers here, clickable, and the logo. As you can see, we went to the plugins, and now we have some updates. So you press update, update, update. You need to update this. This is really important for your website. This is something that you need to do. You can't. You don't have, there's no option for this. If you can't do it or don't have the time, you can go to my website and pick a plan there. We can take care for you. And if there's any issues with updating and we need to fix, we'll fix it for you and we won't charge you. So here is some information. Contact us right there. Some information about the quality glass repair, and that's it. You can get your website at sjmwebhosting Web Hosting, commercial glass services here. Okay, just visit Quality Glass Repair, and if you need any glass installation, repairs, and just contact them and get it done for you. They're really good. So let's go to my website again, SJM Web Hosting. So if you want to create a website or cloud web hosting, go to my web hosting. This is the section where all the magic will begin. So order hosting or buy a domain name, make a payment, get support, look for a domain name. Let me see. You go to store. You'll see all the plans, all the goodies, all the deals we have here. So we should have something a website backup. If you want us to do the updates, let me see. No, this is something else. If this is to protect your website, daily automated backups. This is really good for your website too. This will, if anything happens to your website, let's say today something gets corrupted, you can back it up really fast, really easy. You go read more about it, you'll see. It's a really good plan. Once you have your website created, you have to protect it. So let's go to store again. Let me website backup, security. So this is the plan that we have, and also this has a digital advertising marketing. We will advertising market your website and all our websites and third-party websites. This is really good. Full website backups and security. WordPress security certificate. If you want a certificate installed on your website. This is if you forgot to add it when you first bought your purchase your web hosting. Let me see. So you go to store. So all our cloud, all web hosting plans are right here. Let me see. Yeah. So you can pick the best plans you have uh, that you need, and website web hosting. This is the deals if you want a website done. See, 650 this one, and then you just pay $12 monthly. This is a great plan. This is an e-commerce plan, so it just depends what you need. So just read about it, and if you have any questions, just contact us here, or you can call us. Our phone number 240-377-7126. The phone number, you can see it on the front of the home page. It's right there, and it's clickable, so you can just click on your iPhone or whatever. Okay, let's get back here. So it's updated already, and that's all we're gonna do for now. That's all we came in and do. So this is the updates. Let me just see. We have another updates here. Yeah, we have updates the themes. We have to update these themes. Very important. If you don't need any of these themes, you can go ahead and delete them. You can delete them at the file system and the web hosting. Usually I delete, let me see, I delete 17, 16, and 15. I delete this one and this one. I leave this one. So that's about it. And you can also visit mortalnation.com. Right now I was updating mortalnation.com because I'm going to do some work on this website right now. We need to install some other security plugins because there's a lot of hackers and spammers trying to hack in. So I can't have them, getting in this website. So I gotta put some security on it. Go ahead and check it out, murdernation.com. It's something good for like If you want to see what's going on in Myrtle Beach, at the ocean front, you can read more about the blog, events, what's going on. If you're gonna visit Myrtle Beach, videos, we're gonna need to put some more videos here. The client needs to do that. Put some more videos. So there's just things that you can do at Myrtle Beach, or a director if you want to advertise with them. If you have a business in Myrtle Beach and you have a business, you can advertise with them. As you can see, the website moves really fast, and it's because it's on our cloud web hosting. Everything is on our cloud web hosting, and we have maintenance, security, everything on this website. So that's why it moves kind of fast. This website is like 1 year old, 1.5 years old, and he just, the client is just making websites and doing his thing. We help him with whatever we can. So we just did an update on myrtlenation.com. You can go on there and check it out. All right, thanks for watching.